Hi guys, I am just getting home, dropped off my son to his basketball training, and because it's kind of late, I had some groceries. I ordered some groceries and had them delivered, and they just got here. And so I thought, well, let me just go ahead and give you a quick grocery haul as far as the few little items that I picked up. It's nothing real spectacular or anything, but hey, this is a hair, lifestyle, beauty channel, so groceries and what we eat is part of our lifestyle. So I thought, why not share with you guys? Excuse the hat, the hair is in twists and it's cold outside, so it's time to break out the winter and fall hats. And I just have on a sweatsuit. So basically what I got here is some items for dinner tonight, as well as some breakfast items and stuff. So I'll go through it real quick. So first over here I have my produce. So I ordered some celery because I'm going to be using that for dinner tonight, as well as this parsley. Basically, I'm making a homemade chicken and noodle soup since it's cold outside, and I wanted to put some celery in it, some yellow bell pepper. I actually ordered a red and a yellow, but somehow they gave me 2 yellow. You know, that happens when someone else does your shopping. I ordered some garlic already peeled because I didn't feel like going through trying to peel garlic tonight. I also ordered some salad because we'll have salad along with our soup. So it'll be soup and salad, and of course I'll have some bread with it. And then I think I only ordered 2 tomatoes and somehow I ended up with 4. I'm going to have to check my order. Got some bananas. My son loves bananas, so he'll eat those for his breakfast. And then he also loves yogurt, so I got different flavors of yogurt. Got some raspberry, some strawberry, some blueberry, as well as some cherry, peach, kiwi, strawberry, banana strawberry, and so forth. So those are things that he can you know, eat as a snack or on the run. Also got some pancakes. He likes to have those in the morning, sometimes for breakfast. Fruit and grain bars, as well as chocolate chip granola bars. He likes to throw those in his backpack to have a small snack or whatever before his workouts. And then I got some crescent rolls, which are the rolls that I'll have with the chicken noodle soup tonight. Carrots that will go in the soup as well. And then I actually got some Pepperidge Farm swirl cinnamon toast bread because I like to have that in the mornings with my coffee. I'm not a big breakfast eater, but I do like to have, you know, either a banana and coffee or maybe a piece of toast and coffee. Bought some tilapia fillets. Haven't had tilapia in a long time. I kind of laid off of it and I thought, well, let me get some. Bought some shrimp, peeled and deveined shrimp, extra large. I'll be doing something with that later this week, as well as some smoked sausage. And then I bought some New York strip steaks in the thin cut. My husband likes to grill those for us. I got some lemon pepper seasoning that I'll need, poultry seasoning, as well as some extra virgin olive oil. And then I picked up a treat, which is the Fudgsicles, no sugar added, the original fudge pops. They're only 40 calories, and not that we are like a family that tries to eat real healthy. We're not on any type of diet, but we do like to eat as healthy as possible. So I like to bake more than I fry, things of that sort. And I remember a long time ago, Oprah had these on her favorite things list when she used to have her show. And I don't remember it saying no sugar added, but I do remember it saying 40 calories. And I tried them way back then, and I really liked them. You couldn't tell that they didn't, that they were only 40 calories. So I'm not sure if these are the same ones or not because it's been so long. But I saw these and I said, well, let me try them. We all like chocolate. They like to have ice cream after every meal. And I thought this would supply that sugar fix without sugar. So we will see, but this is pretty much the groceries that I got this evening, and I am going to go ahead and start on my dinner. I've already roasted my chicken and shredded it up, so now I got to chop up these vegetables, get those sauteing and seasoned up, and make the broth for the noodles, and then add the chicken in it. So we should be eating fairly quickly. They are, my son is still, well, I think he's done with his workouts now. My husband is probably on his way to pick him up, and they should be home shortly. So I need to go ahead and get started, and I need to go ahead and make our salad. So hopefully this haul was interesting, and what I'll do is after I've made the soup, I'll come back and show you guys what the dinner looks like. So stay tuned. And I did make a salad, but I don't have a salad with it. Here we